Today we're going to be working on making this in the hoop cat mask, which is about 5 inches in height, like 4.9, and then lengthwise it's 7 inches. And I already have my hoop in the machine. I'm using 2 sheets of tearaway stabilizer for this project. So the first thing it's going to do is create the placement stitch for our first fabric, which is going to be the orange. I'm also using felt fabric for this project, and so it already made the outline for me for the mask. We're going to place our first fabric on top, start the machine again so it can hold it in place. It also went ahead and created our second placement stitch, which is going to be the pink fabric. So we're going to place that on top again, make sure that it's grabbing everything, and start the machine again so I can hold the fabric in place. Now for the second fabric, we are going to cut it around, so I'm gonna take out of the hoop and cut this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we're done cutting the pink fabric, we're gonna let the machine run, create the little details on the cat mask, and then I'll be back when we're ready to put our last fabric piece at the bottom of the hoop. Okay, so now that it's done stitching all of the details, we're going to take it out. Okay, so here it is. We're going to flip it to the back, okay? And I'm going to be using the basting adhesive. Going to spray a little bit on here and add our last piece of fabric on top. You can also tape it down if that's what you want to use instead. Now we're going to start the machine again and let it run as it creates the final stitches to connect the top and bottom together. And ta-da, here it is, all done. I'm going to remove the stabilizer and cut it out. And here it is, we're all done. This is how it turned out. Super easy to make. I'll link the file down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.